Howdy everybody. Got a new little job to do. Little quickie, down and dirty. Not even really that dirty. And I'm dealing with some reloading equipment, 6mm stuff for a local shooter. And he needs me to modify the die and this guy. I'm not hip to my terminology on this stuff. I just know he needs 5 thousandths taken off the face here. I'm going to turn that at 800 RPM. I'm not going to use any oil on it. And I'm going to take, after this guy's done, I'm going to take this little guy and take 2 thousandths off of that face here. So I'll just put this, planning to put this just straight in the chuck, get it flat against the jaws and spin it and do my deal. I have a dial indicator down here on the side of the bed so I can dial in. I'll touch off here, bring the tip in right here. I already checked this for right now. We're about 4/10 of run out here, and that'll be fine. So touch off, set my 5 thousandths, and then go ahead and cut it and clean it up if I need to. A little bit of emery and maybe some Scotch-Brite. And the end of this part here is knurled, and I have a piece of emery cloth sort of acting as my soft jaws. And here we go. I'll run the part in, just touch with my tool, come down here and set my 0, bring it off the tool, bring in 5 thousandths, go ahead and lock down my carriage, and turn her on and cut a little bit of metal. That stuff's really soft. There's no burrs or anything. I'll blow it off with the air after I get it out of the machine, and that'll be that on that part. And there's my emery cloth. I just wrapped it around and indicated it. Didn't want to get dig into these knurls here. So here's our next part. Make sure there's no junk in there. Tighten down a touch. Bring in my tool to touch. Set my dial indicator. Again, only 2 thousandths coming off this face. Really not much at all. Pull the tool away. Knock in my 2. Lock the carriage down. We're clearing, and here we go. A little bit of an interrupted cut here, but it'll do fine. Blow it off. Blow off my depart. And is what we're looking at. Left a really nice finish. Again, I turned that at 800 RPM, just fed it in by hand. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching.